Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen, the Cookalicious kitchen with me, Joy Rhoda. Hope you all had a wonderful day. Well, we're still in the season of celebration and I'm making this video today, the 31st night, wow, of December. So let me be the first to wish you a happy new year. I hope I upload this video before tomorrow. Well, if I don't, well, you're still going to see it in the new year. Have a blessed, wonderful, amazing, prosperous, and a successful new year. Well, we're praying for that. So in the light of that, I don't know if you love plantain like me. I know you do. That's why you tuned in, right? Yes. So I love plantain and eggs. So we're going to be making plantain and egg recipe, but not the conventional way. We're going to be making dodo pizza. Well, dodo pizza is eaten in the western part of Nigeria. They like it a lot. Okay, so I'm going to be making it and we're going to be having it as a dinner before we go for our church service. So it's going to be a very simple recipe. So I've already fried my plantain. You can see it looking all brown. This is why I like my plantain. If it's white, it looks as if it's not properly cooked. So I like it to be like this. So I fried my plantain and I want it to start cooling down. Okay, I salted and fried my plantain. So here are the list of my ingredients. But you're going to use any ingredient you normally use to make your egg. If you like egg, anything you use to make your egg sauce. So that's what you're going to use. So I have my carrot, I have my onion, I have my fresh tomato, and I have my pepper, and I have my sausage. So I'm using 4 eggs. So quickly, let's start the process. So I've added oil in a pan, in a clean pan. So I'm going to salt my oil. Then I'm going to add my onion. This should be done on a very low heat. I'm going to add my pepper and my tomato. So we're going to let it cook for at least 2 minutes. Then I'll add the rest of the ingredients. So while it's cooking, I'm going to add my ginger, adding my seasoning cube, and I'm going to be adding curry into it. And I'm going to stir. Taste for your seasoning at this point to make sure everything is well incorporated. You're going to let it cool down. We'll go to the next process. So I'm using 4 eggs. I'm going to mix. I'm going to be adding milk into it, but this part is optional. So it's cooled down, so I'll be adding it into the mixture. And I'll mix it properly. Now my plastic, I've layered it in my pan. So I'm going to be pouring it into it. Making sure that everywhere is well coated. So the next I'm going to do, I'm going to be garnishing it. I'm going to sprinkle my spring onion and my pepper. We are going to use the low heat for this, very low heat for this. So we're going to close it and we're going to let it cook. This should take approximately 5 to 7 minutes. Guys, let's check on it after. Ooh, guys, this looks so good, man. Ooh, this is good. Now you know it's cooked when you see all this. Did you see the egg? Yes. So it's actually very cooked. So guys, can you see? It's ready. Please thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.